Hello my friends. I'm here to do an update on the kiwis. And it's getting to look like a jungle out here. They're doing actually quite well. They're just about ready to flower. My male vine is not actually producing any flowers so far. It's still a little early as far as the age of the vine, but hopefully next year it'll produce. I got some that are actually flowering or have buds or flower buds that will flower, so I'll show you here. So here are the flowers right here. Come on, there it goes. So here it is. Here's a kiwi flower just about to open. Right there. Right there. I believe I had a few more somewhere around here. Let me see, maybe it's on this side. I've seen them here. It's kind of cloudy, overcast, but it's still really sunny out here. And it's hard to look. I have seen them here. It's two. Well, maybe they're here. Just getting a lot of leaves, and it's hard to see where. Oh, there it is. Oh, look! Would you look at that? I didn't even know this one is opened. So here's a kiwi, and this is a female flower. So it's opened up, and there's another one over there, right there, in the back. So this one, they've all opened. And they need to get pollinated in order to have the actual kiwi berries. And I don't have a male that is flowering, so I'm not sure if there's a few other ones that were about to flower, or there's one right here that has a bunch of flower buds right there, potential berries. And it should actually be self-fertile. Oh, it's a female. It needs to be. Some of them I have are self-pollinating. And I don't see one. So there's more potential flowers here as well. These haven't opened up, but they're getting ready to. There's more of them here as well. And it's hard to find them because of all that extra foliage that's growing out. And I believe that you can actually trim and prune off all these really long shoots, because they're not productive. So that, yeah, and my male does not have any flowers. This is the male. I haven't seen any flower buds on there. Yeah, not seeing any here. Yep, no buds. And we did have hail a week ago, and that's what happened, is that the hail went right through the leaves. Everywhere on all my plants. But other than that, there's no damage, or they're pretty healthy. And we will wait until they flower and see somehow they get pollinated, but I can't doubt it. I don't have a male plant or a self-fertile variety that's flowering right now. So we'll see the flowers, but probably no fruit. Not this year. And yeah, that's it. My name is John, and I'll see you in the next update for Pacific Northwest kiwis, the hardy kiwi. Thank you.